Hello, my name is Christian Duval with IdeaX, and today I'm going to show you how to sequence drum tracks. The first kind of thing you want to do to sequence a drum track is find a tempo that you like, and you can achieve that by hitting the tap tempo button. If you say are doing a song in 4/4 time, you would want to tap it 4 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then what you would do is you would hit the metronome button directly next to it, and that's going to start your metronome. Once you have given yourself a beat to kind of build off of, you can actually speed it up and slow it down by twisting this knob above the tap tempo button to something that you think you can work with. So I'm going to actually speed it up to about 120 just because I want a little bit of a quicker beat. From there, it's really simple. You have your drum kit selected in front of you. You do that by hitting Add Track, MIDI Track, scrolling over, and then down to Drums, and then over, and then you can choose from any of these tracks, and you just select one that appeals to you. Once you scroll over it, it'll sample it like it's doing now, so you can kind of hear what they would sound like. And then once you found one you like, you press Load, and it'll load it onto your push, and you can kind of go from there. If you look at your computer, all the different drum hits will be located right here. So you have your kick and your rim and your snare and clap. And so what those are just different drum sounds. Anything from cymbals to congas to just toms and bass drums, anything like that. So once you're ready to sequence, what I like to do is choose the kick drum and start off with that. And it's really easy. What you're going to do is you're going to tap these, and based off of the speed of your metronome, it is going to go on the first beat of every measure, and you're going to hit a kick drum. So you can do that, and then the next kind of thing is just adding a little bit of style to it by adding different drums. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a snare there, and then maybe another kick drum right here. And I'm starting to get a pretty solid beat where I have hits on 1 and 2, so I can actually turn off my metronome at this point and just work with the drums. The next thing that I kind of want to do is get something that's pretty consistent and is hitting on every beat, because that will help the sound and help keep you in time. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit repeat over here, and it's going to give you a whole bunch of degrees. You have 4, so that'll be quarter notes and 1/8 notes and 16th notes and 32nd notes. So that's basically how many times this is going to that sound is going to hit in a certain amount of time. So I'm going to start off with 8 just because it's pretty simple, and I'm going to actually play my hi-hat, and you'll hear that come in, and it's going to hit at 8 times per measure. And once you're ready to record, you can press the record button and it'll start recording. Once you've figured out something that you kind of like, you can add a little bit more style by changing up the degrees, and that's just done simply by hitting the degree over here, and then changing it back and hitting the end record button, and it'll loop, and you have a drum track. So that is it. Thank you.